Have you ever wondered how to stabilize a sprained ankle while you're hiking? We'll show you how to do that and more. You'll want to stick around. Many first aid kits that you buy in a store come with a triangular bandage, many as small as this. Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. Today we're going to talk about the triangular bandage and many of the ways that you can use one. Let's start with making a sling for someone that may have broken a collarbone and needs their shoulder positioned up higher, or maybe you've got a broken arm and you've got it splinted but you don't want it to be flopping around, and so we want to put that in a nice sling and hold it in position. Let's show you how that's done. Here's the triangular bandage that I keep in my first aid kit. It's about the same size as the small one that I just showed you. That one's made of gauze, but this is just a longer linen, and I prefer it just because it has a little more strength to it. So we're going to have Tim come in. He's going to be our victim today, and apparently he's injured his shoulder, and we're going to put the sling on it and help support him a little bit. Okay, the simple method is, first of all, he's got some kind of a shoulder injury, or maybe he's injured his arm, so he might be supporting it. Take your triangular bandage and hold it so that the point is towards the elbow. So you're not moving his arm around. We're going to slide it up through, and now we're ready to pull this side over. As we bring it around, we're trying to not move that injury, and I'm going to tie a square knot on the side of his neck so that on this side of the neck there's no pressure. Nice square knot there. Then we're going to support his elbow, and most of the triangular bandages will come with a safety pin, or you can tie a knot here. We've got a pin. We'll just pin that in place, and you can also take another one and wrap around his body and arm just to support that, and that will give him some more stability if we're having to move or hike out. One of the most common injuries that you might find while hiking would be a sprained ankle. Did you know that a triangular bandage could help with that? Let me show you how that's done. Take your triangular bandage, lay it out, take the tip, fold it towards you. We're just going to make a long bandage here. Fold it over a couple more times. Now we're ready to go. If you've rolled or sprained your ankle, you'll want to keep your shoe on for some added support. Let's take our triangular bandage, put the bandage solidly behind your ankle, come around behind, across, tuck it in here, bring this one across, do the same on the other side, and then bring both of those tails forward nice and tight. We'll finish it off with a square knot. We hope that you've learned something new on how to use your triangular bandage, and we would really encourage everyone to take a full first aid course before you go into the wilderness. If you have any suggestions or comments or questions about things that you'd like to learn, let us know in the comments. And we hope that you join us again at OSMEtv.